We are deeply concerned that the National Treasury has proceeded to complete the sale of the government's 15% stake in Safaricom PLC to Vodacom, while our substantive constitutional petition remains pending before the High Court. This transaction has been closed under a cloud of unresolved constitutional questions. The High Court had, on 2 separate occasions, found sufficient basis to issue conservatory orders stopping the sale until the constitutional petition was heard and determined. That petition has already been heard, and the High Court is expected to pronounce itself within the next 2 weeks. So one would wonder why rush the conclusion of the sale when in 2 weeks the High Court will be issuing their ruling. It is therefore deeply troubling